Within a mother's body, a silent, sacred miracle begins to unfold. It starts with her blood, the very essence of her life. Through a complex biological wonder, that blood transforms into pure milk. White gold, created from her own strength to nourish her soul. Every drop is packed with love, immunity, and vital nutrients. It is the first bond, a physical bridge between two hearts. As the child drinks, they drink in their mother's protection. This milk builds their mind, their body, and their future.
From blood to milk, from sacrifice to a lifetime of health.
Breastfeeding is the language of love that needs no words.